Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you beautiful and modern house front elevation design ideas. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day. When designing our dream home, we often spend most of our energies in designing the interior and neglect the exterior. Remember, it's the facade that the friends, neighbors, and strangers see when visiting you or merely passing through it. A spectacular exterior will definitely stand out and reflect the general style of your house. It's likewise an introduction of your respective aesthetic style to the entire world. Homes that stand out can be a good thing, but only if they are done in the right way. Well designed houses can be beautiful without design tricks. In many cases, simplicity is a key, plus, streamlined design can lend to savings which you can reinvest in other part of your house. The way that the exterior of your homes looks and functions dictates a large part of its value. Your home's exterior need to match its architectural style, good looks, and when viewed from the street, and protect your homes from moisture and the elements. For many homeowners, it also need to be substable and durable as well, a tall order when taking the other factor into consideration as well. Having your own home is everyone's desire. Buying a home is the most exciting and toughest decision in your life. The main reason is you will not buy the house every day. So choosing the right house is essential, and architectural and builder play a vital role in building a home. One sketch the plan and other make the design real. Front elevation design means a live picture of your home. There are two important metrics that architectural use to plan the design of your home: the front elevation and the floor plan. A house front elevation is two-dimensional drawing on paper which shows your house from the point of view a person standing in front of it. While a layperson might not get the exact idea of how the house is going to appear by looking at its elevation design. House front design is one of the significant elements that architectural use when planning the layout and style of your house. A house has many elevation: side, rear, and front elevation. Out of all these, the house front elevation is the most important, and as it defines what the house will look like at first glance when viewed from the curb. Hence, it is essential to give due importance and deliberation to the house elevation, as it creates the first impression of your house. It's become easy for the client to understand the whole design of your home. It provides you clear idea about the building. Elevation design is essential for all the new homes buyer. This drawing shows how the house will look like if you stand in the middle of your yard, and the homeowners can understand how the home will look like from outside. If you do not like it from outside, how you can stay in the home? It is absolutely necessary to develop a house elevation design that using your idea. Deciding on the elevation is very first step in the course of constructions. Not giving the house elevation at a quite important could backfire. It could result in your home looking completely different from your expectations. Also, the space utilization may not be appropriate. The house elevation, how the interior as well as exterior feature on the house. It is also assist the construction team by providing the exact specification required to the create the building. A different style of house elevation design. The contemporary style of architecture is quite popular today. With its asymmetrical feature and bold geometry, this style makes a very strong statement. Contemporary style embraces both beauty and practicality. We are often confused between contemporary style and modern style house elevations. There is never a limit when it comes to creativity. You do not have to limit your house elevation design to the styles. If mix and match is what you love, you could combine different beautiful elements together to realize your dream home. When choosing a combination, make sure that every element fits in with the other. If not, the result may not be appealing. If you want to increase your home's value and function at the same time, consider adding a front porch. Porches are listed as one of the additional most people would like to see on a home, providing not only a welcoming look to the facade but also more outdoor living space as well. Porches can be as large or as small as you would like. Just make sure that they have enough space to include seating and other functional options, such as fans, fire pits, or storage to increase their style and their versatility. Another popular exterior remodeling idea right now involves adding some texture to your home's exterior. That could mean adding a brick or stone accent wall to your exterior wall. Modern homes can make a great use of architectural wall panels, metal panels, or even beautiful greenery to add the texture with a clean and updated look at the same time. Windows and balconies are often considered the eye of the home. If you have too few or too small windows on your home's front, it can detract from its style. While keeping the interior dark as well, consider enlarging your windows, adding a bay or a picture window, or simply changing the size and shape of your existing window to add dimension to your exterior. One of the hottest trends in home exterior right now involving using bold color accent. This can be on the front door, shutter trim, or decorative woodwork or wall. Look for trim colors that complement the rest of your home's exterior while still catching the eye and attention, such as bold red, turquoise, or royal blue. Just be sure to use this color in small amounts so you don't overwhelm the rest of your home's palette. a fresh coat of paint on your home's exterior to give the entire property a new look. So, updating the color of your homes to something a little lighter, brighter, or more contemporary could help enhance its style. Make sure you pair the color of your home with its architectural style to get the best result. Using multiple shades of contrasting colors together can have a very rich and interesting effects. Not only does it give the facade plenty of colors, it also attracts more attention because of the tonality and hues, which gives the house texture and lot of feel. Combining two different colors with white is your best bet. Dark romantic colors like maroon come with a lot of feel and can instantly make your home scenes more cozy. This color is the best for big houses with wide surface area and should always be combined with a neutral color such as white. I hope this video will help you to choose the best front elevation design ideas for your home. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see future videos, and you can also follow my Instagram account. It's Shilpa's Home Decor Ideas. Thanks for watching this video and have a wonderful day.